Today we're gonna make some honey whiskey infused ribs. Let's get started. Inject roughly 1 cup of your preferred honey whiskey into the fattiest part of the meat in between the bones. These slabs of spare ribs were pretty big, they were 4 pounds each. Now it's time to get them seasoned up and get our smoker heated. 2-to-1 ratio of charcoal briquettes to peach wood chips. Place the thickest part of the spare rib closer to the auto feed box since it gets a little hotter on that side. I'm also going to low smoke this homemade whiskey infused barbecue sauce, but we're going to smoke these ribs for 2 hours at 250 degrees. After 2 hours, and if the bark is formed, we're going to wrap these nice and tight. Wrap with foil, brown sugar, butter, and some of that barbecue sauce. Make sure they're face down and continue smoking for another hour. After 1 hour, face them up, apply the boat method, and continue smoking for another hour. Allow them to cool, pour yourself a drink, and enjoy.